Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step solutions to fix iPhone stuck on setting up Apple issue. Method 1. Check the internet connection of iPhone. To check the Wi-Fi connection, tap Settings. Tap LAN. And make sure it is connected. Method to perform a force restart on iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears and then release it. Now you can check whether the issue is solved or not. Method 3. Fix the stuck issue with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can use it to fix iPhone stuck issue if it is caused by the system glitches. You can download iSunshare iOS Repair Genius from iSunshare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Yes, you need to put the iPhone boot into recovery mode. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. Method for restore iPhone via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Yes, make it enter the recovery mode. Go to your computer and open iTunes. See, the prompt comes to tell your iPhone needs to be restored or updated. Hit the Restore button to continue. OK, click the Restore and Update button. Now just wait for iTunes to restore your iPhone. Well, your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. Now it restarts. That's all for the video.